Well, I started on, oh God. All right. I started like cleaning up, and then I finished banging out the dirt from the seed tray, and then next thing I know, I'm refilling the bitch and like packing it back down, and then I had this like pot ready to go for the mint, and then I started grabbing another one, and I was like, am I still going? Like, I guess we're doing mint seeds, y'all. Like, okay. But that means we're still recording. So, boom. 2 pots and 1 seed tray for the mint. And then, I think, instead of having the next tree cuttings go down on the bottom shelf there, or the middle shelf even, I think I'm going to put the seed tray in the middle there with the roses and the cilantro. And then I'm going to split this 4-pronged light into 2 prongs each, like these. Or actually, I've got space there now. I could get 2 tree cuttings if I want to. Fuck yeah, let's do it. All right, so I'm thinking I'm gonna find somebody with a willow, and then I'm gonna track down like maybe a Japanese maple, because that one's been on my list for fucking ever. But you know what, if I found a red oak that I really fell in love with, or like something with cherry blossoms, I would absolutely go for that shit. Like, bonsai the fuck out of it. Let's go. But, you know, I'm open to receive. I'm not making hard and fast plans for what we do with our tree spaces. Hopefully that's good. All right, let's go. Keep on saying that like dog's coming with me. No dog now. You know, the other day I left the door open while I was outside doing yard shit. And I had the tortilla blanket rolled up on the chair in the sunroom, and I came back inside and I thought it was the dog, and I was like I was so irresponsible. I left the door open with the dog right there, and it was just the fucking tortilla blanket. And then one of the kids across the street, you know, the lady that was yelling at her kids earlier, one of the kids across the street meowed at their sibling, and I thought that Leah, my cat, was stuck on curtains again or something, because that's the only time she ever meowed. When she was like stuck on something or needed help, or like, you know, ran out of water and needed a re-up. You know what I mean? So I've just been like having all these phantom like needy pet noises like trigger me, and I keep on remembering that like they're not here. It's just really weird. And I'm like, I'm okay, you know, like I'm dealing, I'm coping, but I'm not used to them not being around yet. And I just don't know when that part goes away, you know? Well, pre-saturating the soil. And I've been kind of like replacing the attention that I would be giving my pets with my plants. And that's not unhealthy, I don't think, but it's definitely replacement therapy. And all of the extra love those plants are getting is producing results, you know? But at the end of the day, I'm just coping. Wow, it almost looks like gray now. It was blue-black like 2 weeks ago. I don't know why my hair isn't holding on to colors right now. Maybe it's because I bleached it twice. But I think it might be a good thing, because when I dye it the blue-green color that we found on the hair color filter the other day, I think that might actually work out easier. It'll probably take better. I was supposed to cut my hair today, but I ended up doing plants instead. Maybe I will do that instead of gaming later. Do a haircut. Could like go get an actual haircut. That would require going places and talking to people and telling them my needs. Not interested. I'll just fuck around. I think I really want to get a cactus too. Like, we've got this crazy cactus over here. It's pretty cool, but I don't know about the fairy and the mushrooms in there. The rest of it's pretty neat. Maybe Maybe I'll try and take a cutting of that. I'm pretty sure cactuses are easy enough. I feel like I'm scared to overwater it though, because I'd be watering the fuck out of my plants. I'm not even sorry. Alright. The seed one is still draining, but the other two look okay. Let's do those two first, since we're running out of time. We're already 5 minutes into this video, and I don't want to do another part because, like, that would be a lot of parts in one day. Urgh. Shit. Alright. Last time I forgot to put anything underneath of the pots. I got water fucking everywhere. So, like, my notebook is totally soaked. I made a mess. I made a real mess. It's all good though, you know what I mean? Like, we're good. Here we go. Let's see. Start indoors 6 to 8 weeks. Before moving outside, supplemental heat aids, germination, transplant in moderately rich and moist soil. These are middle class soils. They should be okay. Cut frequently for better growth. Maybe grown indoors. Store dry leaves in airtight containers. Okay, bet. 1/8 inch. You know, it's a little bit more than 1/8 inch, but it's just. This is really like what I did the first time. My sister was like, make sure you read all the instructions. And she was talking about like rolling up the seeds in wet napkins and letting them germinate first. And I pretty much like tore off all the packages and took a bunch of seeds. Yeah, that should be good. Bloop. And bloop. Oh, martini glass. Right. So that is the extent of my planting ability right there, ladies and gentlemen. But you know what? It worked the first time. I got sprouts everywhere, bro. I think they be feeding off my energy and the attention that I give them. And that is more valuable than proper spacing. My plants don't need actual things. They get love. All right, so we're going to take these back, water them again. Here. What have I done? Why did I do this? There we go. I don't even know how many there are anymore. Like, this is a lot of plants, y'all. All right, seed tray. Trying to hurry. We got 2 minutes. Same deal. That's all of the mint seeds left. Right, it's all of them. I know all the plant moms out there are probably judging me so hard right now. It's okay. I promise they'll survive, most of them. But this is what we're doing. Packing it down. Last time they didn't have a problem bridging the soil surface, but I think after a couple days I am probably going to do what I did last time, where I break up the soil just a little bit so that it's not quite as compact, because some of them did get a little bit stuck last time. All right, and I think we got 30 seconds left. This is probably going to be the last video, because literally all that's left to do is do another watering and then put them on the actual tray, since I'm not going to do anything with trees tonight. Thanks for watching, everybody. And if you're not a plant person, you should really try it. It's definitely worth it. People might think you're weird, though. See you next time.